Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 3 best AV receivers in 2025, perfect for upgrading your home theater with powerful sound, advanced connectivity, and true cinematic performance. Whether you're building a new setup or replacing an older receiver, these models deliver exceptional audio, smart features, and future-ready support. Stay tuned as we break down specs, sound quality, and value to help you pick the perfect AV receiver. Number 3. The Yamaha RX V385 5.1 channel 4K Ultra HD AV receiver, renewed, is an excellent choice for buyers seeking strong home theater performance at a budget-friendly price. Despite being a renewed unit, it delivers the full Yamaha experience with powerful 5.1 channel surround sound, crisp dialogue, and immersive audio that elevates movies, gaming, and music. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily stream from your phone, while the HDMI 2.1 inputs with HDCP 2.2 ensure smooth compatibility with modern 4K devices. Support for HDR10, Dolby Vision, Hybrid Log Gamma, and BT.2020 makes this receiver ideal for anyone building or upgrading a 4K entertainment setup. User feedback on renewed units is notably positive. One buyer mentioned the receiver arrived looking brand new and performed flawlessly. When a minor issue occurred after a month, the seller provided excellent customer service, offering a refund or replacement, and the replacement worked perfectly. Another longtime Yamaha fan reported outstanding performance even after 6 months of use. They appreciated the on-screen menu, straightforward setup, and impressive sound quality paired with Polk audio speakers, proving you don't need an expensive system to enjoy premium audio. Overall, the Yamaha RX V385, renewed, offers reliability, strong features, and excellent value, making it a smart choice for anyone seeking an affordable yet high-quality AV receiver in 2025. Number 2. The Denon AVR X1700H 7.2 channel AV receiver stands out as a powerful, future-ready centerpiece for any modern home theater setup. Delivering 80 W per channel, it handles movies, music, and gaming with exceptional clarity and depth. With full support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, DTS Virtual, X, and Dolby Atmos Height Virtualization, this receiver creates a rich, multidimensional soundstage even without dedicated height speakers. Video performance is equally impressive thanks to its advanced 8K HDMI section featuring 3 8K inputs, 8K by 60 Hz pass-through, 4K by 120 Hz support, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, HLG, and 8K upscaling across all inputs. Whether you're watching blockbuster films or gaming on next-gen consoles, the AVR X1700H delivers stunning color, contrast, and video smoothness. The receiver also shines in usability. Denon's award-winning on-screen setup guide and color-coded connections make installation fast and frustration-free. With built-in HEOS, you can enjoy multi-room, multi-source streaming through Spotify, Amazon Music, Pandora, AirPlay 2, and more. Voice control through Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri adds effortless hands-free operation. User reviews highlight its reliability and performance. One customer praised its seamless setup, excellent surround sound, and smooth pairing with Apple devices. Another noted the impressive feature set, great value, and built-in HEOS streaming options. Overall, the Denon AVR X1700H is an outstanding choice for those wanting immersive 3D audio, advanced 8K video support, and smart streaming at a competitive price point. Number 1. The Onkyo TX RZ 59.2 channel AV receiver is a true powerhouse built for serious home theater enthusiasts who want premium performance, advanced calibration, and next-gen connectivity. Delivering 120 watts per channel, this receiver supports a fully immersive 9.2 or 7.2.4 setup, making it perfect for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and height virtualized audio experiences. What sets it apart is Dirac Live, included right out of the box, giving you professional grade room correction that dramatically improves accuracy, balance, and speaker placement even in challenging acoustic environments. With HDMI 2.1, 8K pass-through, and 4K by 120Hz support, the TX-RZ50 is ideal for high-performance gaming and ultra-smooth UHD content. THX certification ensures that nothing is added or taken away from the original source, delivering studio-quality sound across every input. Features like Klipsch Optimize mode and works with Sonos certification let you integrate the receiver seamlessly into premium speaker systems and whole-home audio setups. User reviews highlight its reliability and exceptional performance. One buyer praised the unit's impressive sound and emphasized doing the software update first for a flawless experience, especially using eARC for smooth TV receiver synchronization. Another reviewer said it's worth every penny, outperforming far more expensive receivers thanks to features like Dirac Live and superior processing. Overall, the Onkyo TX-RZ50 is an elite-level AV receiver offering massive value, advanced audio tools, and state-of-the-art connectivity perfect for a top-tier home theater. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and home theater guides. Let me know in the comments which AV receiver you're planning to get, or if you want a full comparison video. Stay tuned for more top product picks, and as always, see you in the next one.